Welcome to the Odyssey. Today I'm going to show you how to part out a machine, make money off of it, listing it on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. So this is what we're working with, a 2000 Yamaha Blaster. Overall decent shape. Definitely has had some questionable repairs done to it. Up here are the extra parts that came with it. And right up here is the engine. Appears to be in decent shape, but we'll see the full story once we open it up. Got most of the tools that I'll need right here. Set of 1/4-inch drive sockets, 3/8, a electric ratchet. Let's get started. Now it's time to do something with these parts. So I'm going to take pictures of all of them. I'm going to hit all sides of them. So every side of every part, so any potential customer can see the entire thing. And then I will research them, see how much they're worth, list them on eBay. I've also got a part out on Facebook Marketplace, so I might have local people get a hold of me and ask to buy parts, and we'll make a deal like that. So let's get started. am working on another part out. I just wanted to go through the stuff that I sold on Facebook Marketplace for that blaster as well. Sold the carb for $160, frame for $100, wheels and tires and rear caliper for $300, and the seat in the right front fender for $200 for a grand total of $760. Since I started the video for the blaster, I actually parted out another blaster. I used some footage from that because I missed the machine while I was taking it apart, so I used the machine from the second blaster. And now this is a ZX6 that I'm parting. So after all that, where are we at? I'm at $1,371 profit. So you gotta take into account that that's paid for the machine. I got $1,000 back out of that machine and I'm $1,371 in profit. I still got potential sales if everything sold on eBay, minus the estimated shipping and eBay fees. I'd be at $2,321 in the green. The more you can sell locally, you'll get away from shipping fees and selling fees. So I'm looking at over $2,000 profit off of this machine, and it takes me about 2 days to break one down and list it, maybe like 2 8-hour days. And then I need to ship the stuff out as it sells as well. Now I'm already shipping other stuff, so it's just kind of the norm for me, but this is a good way to make money online. Make sure to check out my other videos and like and subscribe. Thanks. See ya.